Year of the Wabbit. At Privada Cigar Club, we've always wanted to create a Chinese New Year cigar, but we hesitated due to the number of similar releases by other brands. However, we found inspiration in the Year of the Rabbit and decided to release a cigar that was original, refined, and collectible. This cigar was made at the Annex, an experimental factory built by AJ Fernandez for Privada Cigar Club, and features tobaccos from Ecuador, Peru, Nicaragua, and Costa Rica. With over a year of age, the Year of the Wabbit is a cigar that is very flavorful and ready to smoke now. Additionally, the packaging has a whimsical elegance that adds to its collector's value. This is the type of work that I've always taken pride in. The Year of the Wabbit is a unique cigar that stands out amongst many Chinese Zodiac cigars in the market. Enjoy. The Year of the Wabbit. I want to try to communicate what this means to me. Now, to most of you, it's just a cigar in a box. The art's really cool. The gold foil's really cool, and it's got a collectible vibe about it. It's a fun thing for this time of year. What it means to me is that you guys helped us build this company together so that we could get to the point where we could take one of the better cigars you'll ever smoke, package them completely untraditionally, and yet with luxury packaging, foil that no one's ever done before. If you can see that, I don't know, try to get that in the B-roll, Tyler. I mean, to be able to throw this together in just a couple of months because we got a great idea when a cigar, was well aged, it's a dream come true for me to be able to serve you guys in this way, to be able to take art, entertainment, media, all this stuff, mash it together and use it to serve you guys so that you can follow along the journey along the way, and that we can create products that we know you guys are going to love so much all the time. It's never been done before in cigars and in most industries, and we're really, really lucky to be a part of it. I'm really lucky to be a part of it, and so thank you for giving me that opportunity to serve you guys. Do you see the carrot, man? Year of the Wabbit. And before people start getting upset, this isn't a poke at anyone, okay? I already know the egos going around here on the gram and whatnot. Everyone's done this like amazing luxury Chinese New Year cigar, and it's been all gold and super expensive and all that stuff. And we were just like, no. Let's do it in a way that it's never been done before. But we never came up with that way, so we never did it. This is one of the first cigars AJ Fernandez rolled for us at Tabacalera Annex. It is a blend of very non-traditional tobaccos to be used together. Nicaragua, Peru, Costa Rica, and Ecuador. So that's a lot. Stupid. It's stupid. It's stupid how good this is. You're going to taste it. Doesn't matter who you are, what you like, you will taste it. You'll say, oh, what are these guys up to again? And then you're going to, yeah, we're up to this again. We feel the need to be this loud in certain ways because you have to smoke these cigars. That's what we're trying to get you to do with this stuff. We're trying to get you to pay attention because there was a cigar revolution that started in 2017 and it's coming into a peak, a fever pitch, if you will. And you got to smoke these cigars. And so how else am I going to use traditional? What am I going to do? Take out an add-in cigar aficionado? I don't think so. We need you to know that this is different. This is a different type of cigar. These are different types of blends. Even from blenders like AJ, who you're used to smoking cigars from, you smoke our cigars from AJ, and it's a different level. It's a different thing. Black pepper. I'm getting a sharp cedar. Like a fresh cut cedar, or even like a cedar spill on fire kind of thing that, not piney, but it's cedary. I'm getting an apricot, and then I'm getting a lot of sensations. The sensations are zingy. They're, I want to say spicy, but they're not spicy. This isn't something that someone who doesn't like a lot of spice should stay away from. The spice is really in the retro. There's more oak than there is cedar. There's also the creamiest, creamy AF smoke, you know, that you're gonna get out of a cigar. This is a winner. Go out and pick it up. Year of the Wabbit.
Erik Espinosa, a cigar industry veteran, faced difficulty sourcing the Brazilian wrapper leaf for his best-selling cigar Laranja just over 4 years ago. He experimented with substitute wrapper leaves and ended up making a few thousand cigars that came close to the Laranja's essence, but were not quite the same. Erik stored these orphaned cigars away in his aging room in Estelí, Nicaragua. Years later, he stumbled upon them and called me, knowing that Privada and the LCA would appreciate an aged cigar. After smoking the cigar, we lovingly started to call it the Blood Orange. Now, after 4 years of aging, we recognize an opportunity to share with our local LCA shops the chance to smoke a Blood Orange. I consider this a cigar with a great story. It's well aged and made once, making it a legend in my eyes. The Blood Orange is flavorful, and I'm proud to be associated with it. This is the type of cigar that Privada Cigar Club and the Limited Cigar Association want to be affiliated with. Make sure you go out to your local LCA, support your local brick and mortar, and pick up the Blood Orange this April in your LCA Plus.
A nice soft box press Habano Churchill. The flavors are what really stuck out to me, and we named it like immediately when we would smoke it. We'd call it Blood Orange right from the start. So you're gonna get notes of citrus in here. So if you like notes of bright citrus from a good Habano wrapper, you're going to like this. Now let me tell you what else is in it. I'm getting maple syrup, I'm getting mocha, I'm getting black pepper, I'm getting aged cedar, I'm getting baker's spices. That maple thing is really, that was the first thing that jumped out at me. That's at the forefront. It's really amazing. If you like natural maple syrup, you want this. Now, there must be something still left in here that is still citrusy. But remember, with an aged cigar, your first few puffs are not going to be that indicative of what it's going to taste like in the second, third, because the aging comes from the front first. This month's LCA is from front to back is stuff that I'm really proud of. Judge me on these cigars. Judge us on these cigars. You like talking shit about Privada? Just one time this month, pick up the cigars and tell us you don't like Privada or LCA anymore. Come on. Do it. I dare you, bro. Bro, I dare you. Practicing for my acting debut. So, I don't know what else to say other than these are crack. So go ahead and get that. I love the band. Blood Orange, very cool. Espinosa all the way. One of the realest G's in this business. Mad respect for that man. That's the LCA for April. Happy Easter hunting. It will be a hunt to find these cigars. Get them while you can. Go into your local shop. If you don't have a local shop, I understand. I'm not talking to you. But go into your local shop if you have a local shop. Say hello. Remind them you're still there. Buy the cigars in person, if you can. Hashtag we are Privada. Hashtag we are family. Hashtag we are the industry. And we're just getting started over here. Peace.